Hello guys, good morning. This is another unboxing video, but this time it is different. It's not about bags anymore, other luxurious items. Well, this is still luxurious because it's for your face. For us women who is approaching 60, my goodness me, we really need a good moisturizer for our face. Otherwise, my goodness, unless you are vegetarian, you eat really very healthy foods like only fresh fruits, veggies. Some people are like that. That's why they have nice skin. Or you have naturally, genetically inherited beautiful skin, which I don't. Okay, so maybe it's 2 pounds, but this is not over 2 pounds. So here we go. This arrived today. And let's see. This will make your face really, well, help me a lot. Help me a lot. This cream helped me a lot. Thank you for here we go. Let's see. This is the cream I'm talking about, guys. It is by Shiseido. It is not just Shiseido, right? It has to be a specific Shiseido. This is the one that is really good for middle-aged women, okay? For approaching middle age or over middle age. So it's called Benefiance Nutri Perfect Day Cream. It is really nice cream, guys. It's just like you're really pampering yourself. It's really pampering, and at the same time making your face really look radiant. Here we go. This is how it looks like inside. Okay. All you do is put a little bit after you have a shower in the morning. All right. This normally lasts me 5 to 6 months. 5 to 6 months. What can you say? Yeah? This is a really good value for money. Yet luxurious. Thanks again for watching. Just put a little bit on your face, but this one, look how. Oh my God! Look at that! How nicely it's spread.